Stage-specific classes are a new feature that allow you to navigate complicated annotation tasks and multi-step processes. You can now select specific classes as well as specific annotators for every annotation stage. Why is this useful? Breaking down complex annotation tasks into smaller elements massively increases annotation speed and accuracy. Annotators can focus on their specific tasks without being overwhelmed with irrelevant classes, leading to much faster and more accurate annotations. It's as easy as dragging an annotation stage into the workflow and selecting specific annotators and specific classes. Who should be the most excited about this? This is highly relevant to lots of different use cases, from medical to agriculture to transport and manufacturing use cases. Any annotation process that requires multiple complex tasks and instructions or multiple stages of annotation with different degrees of specialization will benefit from stage-specific classes. Let's dive into one possible use case in more depth. This is a real use case that was presented to V7 recently. A medical use case annotating lesions that involved multiple annotators with different degrees of seniority. Medical annotation in general requires an incredibly high degree of accuracy, in combination with the pressing need to use specialist physicians' time as efficiently as possible. Lives are at risk if models are trained on badly annotated data, but at the same time, experienced experts shouldn't be spending their highly valuable time doing labeling tasks that junior clinicians could accomplish. This company wants to annotate lesions as accurately as possible, whilst making optimal use of their senior annotators' time. Their workflow looked something like this. First, a junior medical student tags each image with the lesion tag, or leaves it blank. Afterwards, these images pass through a logic stage with if-else Boolean logic to segment images with the lesion tag and direct these for further annotations. Any irrelevant images without lesions can then be archived or saved for further review. In step 3, a more senior radiologist then accurately segments the lesion. They could also use V7's model-assisted segmentation tools to quickly create polygons. Importantly, they haven't wasted any time filtering through irrelevant images. Notably, they are also able to select from a smaller number of classes and tools in order to work most efficiently. The UI is simplified and they only see the relevant tooling for this specific stage. This applies to the sidebar, the class applier, and the instructions model. Finally, an expert reviewer, a board-certified radiologist, then reviews the lesions. If they are satisfied, they can then send these images to complete. And these files could be exported to your model for external training or used to train a model within the V7 platform. As such, all 3 different annotators are given a very specific task to accomplish, hugely enhancing accuracy and speed, whilst also ensuring that you're making optimal use of your annotator's time. Notably, V7's workflow capabilities extend far beyond annotation and view stages. You could, for example, apply a tag edge case in an annotation stage and then use the logic stage to route these edge cases for expert review, or a webhook to save these edge cases for further model refinement. Given that Google research has shown that the average AI team spends 80% of their time managing labels, accelerating and streamlining your annotation pipeline offers enormous potential gains for your ML team. Stage-specific classes allow you to annotate much more efficiently and accurately in a way that will ultimately help you bring better products to market faster.